like all worthwhile things, there are about 15 ways of describing it. I would say one way of describing it or preparing for it is that it's a sort of mystery story. You have a woman waking up and having a bang in her head that's unexplained. And in many ways, that's all the film's about, is her quest to discover the source of this bang. But it's also really an immersion in Colombia, the experience of the place, the experience of the frame, the experience of the movement in the frame. It's about resonance, it's about trauma, and it's about ghosts.